Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Please like and comment. I'm just trying this guy. Oh, we bought this in Alice store guys. La Chuy miso soup. Hopefully the taste is good. Miso man siya guys, miso soup. I know miso in the Philippines is really good taste. You need to reheat only guys in the microwave 3 minutes. But smell good man. Smell like a miso. Miso soup. Walang laman. Nothing inside. All is water. Ganyan pala yan guys. Ay goodness. All is soup. No more inside guys. Like that guys. But in the, look at in the design, have like that too, like a tofu. Like a tofu. But there's nothing in here. I think this is it. Tofu inside guys. I need to keep this guy using to my flour. Please reheat guys. I think it's fine guys. You need to add something green like moringa, sweet potato top, spinach, something like that. Because only a very small tofu over inside. Just look at the remember have tofu? Have tofu that guy, but really I don't know. Maybe very small 6 pieces like this. Oh. Happy Monday today guys. June 2 na. Try natin to. Itong soup na miso guys. Nothing inside. Only that oh. Like that guys. I don't know. Maybe 4 pieces like that. All is soap. My goodness. Let's see. Not good guys. I don't like it. Huh? Need to eat, but I don't like. Never buy again, guys. I don't like the taste.
Don't eat it, man.
No, it's fine. Mas yummy pa if I'm cook my own eh. Okay, my not good, guys. Not recommended, guys. It's not good. Kaya wag kayong bumili. Don't buy. Maybe the owner angry to me if I told not good. Honest review lang guys eh. Usually it's not good. My husband told me throwing, but I'm not throwing. Walang lasa guys. I cannot taste. Much better pa with do my own soup guys. Even not good guy I eat. Because I don't like to waste. That's it guys. Hi guys! Good evening guys. Let's eat dinner. Mag-dinner tayo. Flip over to guys. Ham Spanish bread. Look at my Spanish bread.
Democrats will never be able to answer that question. If that
Bula.
And cookie.
And cookies, guys. Oatmeal cookies. This is our dinner, man.
Did you ever have a moment with him where you thought maybe he was
No, but
to run president? No.
I thought he was a good president.
oatmeal cookies.
The only concern I thought he had to deal with was could anybody do that job until they were 86? And we had several long talks. I had never seen him
Auntie.
walk away thinking he can't do this anymore. He was always on top of his
Okay.
You never saw any
No.
comment.
So I didn't know anything about any of this. And I had
This is it, guys.
I thought further.
Hi guys, good morning, and today is Friday, June 6, guys. We need to go at Walmart, guys. This is our OOTD for today. OOTD outfit of the day. The rain is stop, guys. Rain is stopping. Di ako makablog sa Walmart kasi may music, guys. Nasi-CPR ako. Mag-sunglass kasi mainit. Hi guys, good morning. Going to Walmart today, guys. Look at the bird right there, guys. Our flower, guys. I'm so happy every time open the door and saw this. Wow, so amazing. Over her flowering na, guys. Yan, sinya. And right here, still flowering. And the sinya right here. And of course, over there. That tree, guys, we cut that. And then, tubo siya. Hindi ako magdilig ngayon, guys, kasi tataro over there. Hindi ako magdilig, guys, kasi nga umulan yesterday. Dito not flowering all. Some is coming. Lot of toys right here, guys. But usually the toys are so expensive. Adyan. 24. This one only. Wow. Very expensive toys, guys. So expensive. Kid toys so expensive, guys. This? What is that? $24. Oh, this one 29. Frozen, Disney Frozen. Imagine mo, guys. 29, 1.5 na, guys.
$30.
$30. 1.5 in the Philippines. Kapag ang palitan, guys, is 55. Imagine mo, guys, so expensive. Over here, guys, toys also. Prism. What's that prism? Oh, this sick. The snake. Oh my goodness. Never saw snake in the yard, guys. Maybe no snake this year. And look at that. Discovery. Mind blow. 38, guys. Hi guys, we're here na at the house. We do unboxing tayo guys. From Walmart. Look at the unboxing. I got this guys. Give to my niece. And another one. Yeah. Oh, what is traveling guys? Battery. Next then, this is the card because my niece is birthday coming soon. Niece birthday coming soon. No, granddaughter. And we bought this guy. We put the cover. I'm so happy guys because we found clothes in Walmart guys. $1. Look at this. Hopefully this is people. Imagine guys, $1. The set is $1. Yes. All guys is $1 guys. I got ano guys. 9 pieces. This one also. What is that? $1. And this one. Very nice guys. Imagine $1 guys. Very good. Oh. This is good. Sometimes Walmart selling the clearance today. And this one also, I don't know if people last $1. This one also jacket for the cake. And everything this guy is $1. Too happy. Ano? Pinto na dun. Panlok dun. And we got the plantain so big, eh? And we add banana because we plant to cook banana bread. And then next over here the cheese and cucumber and ginger. And this one shampoo. Usually we do shopping yesterday guys. Or shopping yesterday online also. This one, the bread because five, and that's it. No, we spend $90.20 everything. I think almost five something like that, or 7 something, or 6, and that's it. Everything is Dollar clothes guy from Walmart. We bought today. Terno siya. Look at that. So beautiful. $1 lang ito ba? Yung regular price na kay ano, $18. And I have lot from Walmart, $1. I tried the other one though. This one also. I don't know if this is people. Maybe. So beautiful. Unboxing tayo guys. This is olive oil for drinking. Somebody will deliver to you minutes ago. Olive oil to guys. And you can drink this guys. I think this is healthy drink. Yeah. Okay. This kind of olive oil for drinking. You drink this in empty stomach, right? Oh, this one. Super Bowl, 100% organic extra olive oil. How much this, ma'am? Yes, guys, so very expensive, guys. Because this is ano drinkable. You can drink this in the morning. You're in empty stomach. 500 ml, guys. 500 millimeter. Ay, milliliter. $30, 1.5 na, guys. Puting gamaya, guys. We use this olive oil, guys, for cooking also. 1 liter. I think this one half. This 1 liter is look like $15, right? Oh. The price is twice over here. And the size is half. So you mean 3 times? 3 times, guys, the price. The price of this and this one, guys, 3 times. But this is, I think this is very high quality. We drink that tomorrow. Thank you so much, guys, sa mga viewer at subscriber. And subscribe lang sa channel and chikato. Ay, wala na pala akong business. Nasanay ako, guys. Nag-stop na pala kami. Bye, guys.